Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your home from flooding with FloodSmart detailed guide step by step clearly. Flooding can cause significant damage to your home and belongings. Protecting your home requires careful planning and preparation. Start by assessing your property's vulnerability to flooding. Check if your home is in a flood zone. Review local flood maps to identify potential risk areas. Next, elevate your home if possible. This involves raising the structure above expected flood levels. Consider installing flood vents in your foundation. These vents allow floodwater to flow in and out, reducing pressure on your walls. Inspect and maintain your gutters and downspouts regularly. Make sure they are clear of debris to ensure proper drainage. Install a sump pump in your basement if you have one. A sump pump will help remove water quickly during a flood. Consider purchasing flood-resistant materials for home repairs. These materials can reduce damage if flooding occurs. Get a professional to assess your landscaping. Proper grading can direct water away from your foundation. Create a barrier around your home using sandbags or barriers. This can help redirect water and keep your property safe. Invest in a flood insurance policy for added protection. Be sure to understand what your policy covers. Create an emergency kit with essential supplies. Include items like water, food, medications, and important documents. Lastly, have an evacuation plan in place. Ensure all family members know the plan and practice it regularly. By taking these steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of flooding in your home. Stay informed and proactive to safeguard your property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.